Hi guys, welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Sarah here.
And Katie.
And boy, do we have a story to tell y'all.
We've got lots going on. So,
before we get to like this beautiful stuff, let me just say, I had a little cavity filled this morning.
and I had wisdom teeth surgery 3 days ago.
Yeah.
So,
Katie got all 4 of her wisdom teeth out. Poor girl.
it's a good time. So I'm a little bit puffy, a little bit sore, but we're here.
No,
we're
this
thriving.
is so funny, you guys, because we were talking about it, and it was something. She had a dentist appointment on like Wednesday, and then they were like, yes, you definitely need your wisdom teeth out. And so they're like, we'll make an appointment. It'll be a couple weeks. She's like, okay. So they come back and they're like, oh, they had an opening Friday. And Katie's like, okay, I'll just take it. And then
Didn't
I'm
even
like,
think about
I was
it.
like, Katie, we have to film Tuesday Newsday. And she's like, I'll be fine. Guys.
I woke up this morning, not fine. Not fine.
Okay, but look, at least she has some color back in her face because she was just like gray.
My body does
white.
not do well with all the drugs. It does not like it. It doesn't like the anesthesia. It doesn't. I was ghostly white.
It's so funny.
So
we had wanted to actually film this before, because we were trying to do it a little bit early because we knew we had a bunch of stuff coming. We weren't able to.
No.
And so then we were dying because I'm like, then I had my filling. So like this half of my face is swollen. I feel like I've worked it out enough that you can't really tell. I can still feel it though. So yeah, we're just here today with weirdly numb mouths and in pain.
It works.
So, yeah.
It works.
But
But we've got some really exciting stuff to talk about.
Heck yeah,
So
we do.
we just had a new fabric line launch for the fabric market. So we're here in the
Yes.
fabric market. As
You
you can tell, if you've ever
guys-
been in here, this is our little produce stand behind us.
No, this
The
has been
cutest.
something that I have been wanting for so long, and our designers, like, they knocked it out of the park. I am so excited. This is this is a very small sample here on the table in front of us. It is so good. There is it's basically a basics line that's prints though, and it goes along like a color scheme, and it is so fun because
Here,
it's.
let me zoom in.
Okay.
I'll come behind the camera and zoom in for that. 'Cause
I'm serious.
You guys
It
have
is.
to see this.
It's so good, and like this is called the Blueberry Color Story. Okay, so this is what, like it says, blueberry, but you can look in it and you can see how it just has all these small prints that go along it's
so
all blues.
darling.
So it's like if you're looking for little prints, like backgrounds of blues, this is your one, right? And here is the Guava Color Story. So it's like the cutest pinks, and
But they come
it is
in
perfect.
all the pre-cut sizes. So we've got the charm packs and the fat quarter bundles.
And this one's
Jelly
apple,
rolls.
so it's gonna be lots of reds. Okay, look at this fat mama. This is a big one.
It's a little selection of everything.
So this
It's
is a selection of
127
all of it.
pieces.
Look at that. I love it. It's so fun. So you get this and you have like all these fun primary colors, it mixes in. It's so good. And like purple. Katie, actually take them. Sorry guys, go through this whole thing because we didn't grab a pre-cut out of every color, but there's greens, there's
just go
pinks,
take a
there's
look.
reds. It is so
It's
good.
So darling. Okay. Here they are. The yellows, are you kidding?
Yeah, they're so good.
So cute. And then we also have lots of other fun stuff too going on.
Yeah. So there is 9 different colorways. So it is literally like a full rainbow of color.
And
There's
then look, okay, you gotta look at this quilt though.
Okay, I'll help you hold it up. You might need to stand on a chair.
I know.
Okay, wait, let's do that actually.
Stand up on the chair, oh right.
Yeah.
But look at what you can make
Okay,
with
let's hold it this way. Look at this. It's so fun and it's so colorful. Look at that.
So cute.
I don't know if they can see it all. Can they see it all?
It's
So good. And so like, I'm so excited. So Natalie actually is doing a tutorial later
Soon.
this summer. And there's gonna be a free downloadable pattern on the Robert Kaufman website. Did you know that?
I did not know that.
Yeah. So it's,
Oh my gosh.
I couldn't be more excited, honestly, about this, because it is just so fun. Because if you just need to add like a little bit of color, some blenders or something to a project, it's going to be so easy to do with this colorway, and it's called Fabric Market.
It's so cute. I'm obsessed with it. I already want to buy so many of them. I keep looking through them, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can make that out of that. Oh, I just love it. I love the blues. I'm in love. I'm super into pink right now. Love pink. And so I keep looking through all of these pinks, and I'm like, I could just make a whole monochrome, like,
I know, but like even for like
quilt,
a baby
just like,
quilt, or like when you're
so
doing like a
cute.
Yeah, there's a lot of uses
There's
for it.
So much going on.
Okay,
But,
what else? What else we need to talk about? Trying to think what else we have coming on this summer. I know you guys have seen Ingrid's. I know everybody's talked about it.
But it
I
really
love
is
it
so
so
darling.
much. I love it so much.
It's so darling. We've got a couple of new stores coming soon.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take you. So I'll tell you a little bit about now, but we'll do another video. We have another shop opening, and we're working on all the little details right now, and it's
so cute.
It's
You guys
so
are gonna love it.
Yeah. So there's gonna be one brand new one, another one that we are adding that is gonna be, it's gonna have new stuff, but also like combine something we already have, and then another one that we're morphing. So there'll be 3 new things. So if you've already been here before, there's going to be 3 additional things to see this summer that we're really, really excited about.
So come visit.
So come and see us.
It's going to be so
Okay,
good.
how about your wedding stuff? How's wedding planning?
It's going pretty good. I've got, this is a little bit weird and not normal, but me and Porter decided to do like a bridal shoot way early so that we could have some pictures.
She wanted to not have the whole day full of wedding pictures.
Yeah, I wanted to kind of just kind of have the day where we could really just spend with all of our family.
Yeah,
So we decided that we're gonna do bridals early. So we actually have bridals this weekend. So pray for me that all of this swelling goes down, and that everything's gonna heal great. So I'm super excited about that. We meet with a florist today to really like nail down some ideas and everything. So I'm super excited about that.
You've been working on a bunch of embroidery still.
Yep, I'm working on a lot of embroidery. There's a few. I have some friends and cousins who have just had babies, so I'm working on some baby quilts too. So I'm super excited about that. But really just almost got my invitations sent, so that's really cool.
Yep, she's been working on those.
So that's been really fun. So honestly, all the fun stuff, and Mom's been a trooper helping me through all of it. So I've been a little bit all over the place, but
don't tell her, but I love it. I'm glad that we're doing all the fun stuff together, and that like she's been at our house this weekend while she's recovering. Poor baby.
Been sleeping on the couch. It's been good though.
Yeah.
But
anyways, so we're just super excited. I hope you guys check out the Fabric Market collection. It's so good. And let me make sure I got everything. So it's 9 different colorways. I know I said that already, but it's 9 different colorways, a total of 36 pre-cuts. 4 for each colorway. So we have the 10-inch squares, the 5-inch squares, the 2.5-inch squares, and
2.5-inch strips.
2.5-inch strips, and then what?
The fat
quarter bundles. So there's 127 all over prints of florals, fruits, and basics. And we will try to when Natalie's tutorial comes out, and also we'll link to the Robert Kaufman pattern. So,
it's gonna be so good, guys.
But let us know if you guys have any questions. So we are still just
hanging out.
We're gonna keep trying to share more videos with you guys and bring you along to all the fun stuff we have going on in town. So if you have any questions or suggestions or things you want to see, let us know, and we will try to make it happen.
It's gonna be good. We love you guys so much.
Yep. Thanks so much for being here. Have a great Tuesday. We'll talk to you later.